Welcome, this is Will Duran from Ozark Aerial Video, and right now you're looking at an outline of my 108-acre property that I own. The house in the upper part of the video is the focus of this video. We're doing a perimeter flight of the entire property. This is programmed flight. This is not controlled by the pilot during the flight. This is all programmed prior to the flight. We are flying at 300 feet. So we can get the drone high enough so we can get a radio signal above the trees. And we are flying at 23 miles an hour throughout. And I'm using a slight filtering on the lens to reduce some of the bright July 1st sun at 4:30 in the afternoon. Now, throughout the video, in this, right here, you cannot see the house visually. It's behind some trees. But the drone knows where to look, and so it will keep looking at that one spot. And as we go around each of the corners are smooth, so there's no jerk or shake in the video as it goes around the corners. Now, this is a great valuable asset for realtors trying to show large acreages to potential buyers, whether it be 10 acres, 40, 80, 100, or more. Because they just get a full view of the land. Now granted, ground pictures of what's on the ground is valuable too, but if you look at a lot of acreage sites on realty sites, they just don't have this. They might have an aerial photo, but an aerial photo doesn't give the full perspective of the land, nor is it organized. A lot of the aerial flight that you'll see on real estate sites, the pilot is just flying over the field. You have no idea what's north, south, east, or west. And so in many ways, you're distracting potential buyers rather than gathering them. That's just my opinion. Right now you can see the house is just about due east, and we're heading north on the west leg. And the distance between the house and the drone is actually increasing to quite a bit. Once we hit this northwest corner, we're going to be about 2,500 feet away, and this is a type of flight that a pilot with just stick control would not try or would not feel comfortable doing. They certainly couldn't make it this smooth and throughout the flight. Here you can see the terrain on the right. You can see far in the distance. And we're just about to come around to the northwest corner, and then we'll start heading east before we start heading back to the house. Now, one thing in the editing process, I understand this is kind of a long video for showing property. The ideal video length for any property, I don't care how big it is normally 2.5 to 3 minutes, or you begin to lose interest of the viewer. This could be a backup secondary video where someone who wanted to see the detail throughout, they could click onto this video. Whereas the initial video, to gain their attention, which you want to keep under 3 minutes, editing of this video, we can speed up legs on certain legs, or you can just cut them out if you need to. But so yes, this is long. This is probably not exactly what you would put as your primary video, maybe or maybe not, on the website because it's a little long. Right now the drone is heading back south. We'll be back to the house here in less than a minute. But hopefully you can see the value of what this provides, and if you feel free to contact me for a free quote and evaluation. We'll check the airspace, possibility of even flying in that location, and I'll give you a quote based on many factors, including that and how far we have to go to get to your location. Anyway, if you like this, please like, subscribe, and share, and feel free to give me a call and discuss us coming out to your property to video it. Thank you very much. Bye now.